Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing on Apex Z Ziegler limited edition badminton racket. I ordered this racket online 3 days before and today I received it. So let's go inside and do unboxing on this. So this is the badminton racket that I received. They have given me along with the badminton racket cover. The quality of the racket cover is really good, and it also comes in with the provision to hang this racket and also a strap for you to carry the racket. Let's open this and go and see the bat. This racket is also bubble wrapped for an extra protection. And there is one more cover inside. So this is the badminton racket Z Ziegler limited edition from Apex. Why I ordered this racket is recently I broke my Corbenex 8000 Plus racket while playing, and I was really surfing in the internet to get the real good badminton racket, and I was really impressed with the specification of this racket, especially from Apex, which is this Z Ziegler limited edition. This is the specification of Apex Z Ziegler. The price of this racket varies from 1800 to 2500. It depends on the online stores and offline stores. And I got this racket for like 1950 online. And this racket is an exact replica of Yonex Voltrix Z Force 2. And this is like a high tensile racket. Usually Apex racket are like high tensile, and this is the high tensile racket which is like 38 lbs that's kept in this. And this racket is like a power head racket. And also this racket is completely made of high modulus graphite, and also this also has ultra slim shaft. So as you can see, this shaft is like very slim compared to the other brands in the market. So it is like 6.4 ultra slim shaft racket. So it also has like a triple speed power. So whenever you smash the shuttle, it goes in for like real speed. And this comes in the weight of like 4U category, which is like 85 grams to plus or minus 2 grams, and the size of the grip is like 4.5 inch, which comes in like a G2 category. So overall this racket comes in like falls in like 4U G2 category, I would say. And one more thing is that this racket is like isometric in shape, and it also has like 76 holes, which is the grommet specification. So because of this isometrics and 76 holes, in that case it has so many sweet spots inside it. So whenever you smash the shuttle, it goes for really hard, as I told you. And this racket is made in Vietnam. The one difference between the UK made racket and the Vietnam and Malaysia made racket is that only for UK made racket you should be getting like a UK symbol over here. So now most of the UK rackets are like productions are stopped, and now many rackets are coming in from Vietnam and Malaysia only. And when I tell about the flexibility, this is like a medium flex racket. As you see, the racket is like really flexible, so that it goes for a real smash, and you can really take the defense easily. And whatever tension that I have kept in this racket is 26. As of now I am an intermediate player, but if you are a beginner starting now, in that case 24 is advisable for you. But if you are a professional player, in that case like 30 to 38 is what you can keep in this racket. But if you are an intermediate, you can go for like 26 to 28, and I have kept like 26 lbs in this for me to play. So I'm really excited to play in this racket. I'll let you know my playing experience with this. I'll share my video post a month, so that you can also watch that and get this racket online. And that's all about the specification and unboxing of this racket. So if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you please share it with your friends. Also comment and do subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.